Natural ways to build strong, healthy bones. Welcome back to my channel, Wellness Warriors. Your bones aren't just the body's framework. They're the powerhouse that lets you move, run, jump, and live life to the fullest. But did you know that keeping your bones strong is more important than ever? Whether you're in your 20s or 60s, it's never too late to start taking your bone health seriously. And guess what? In this video, we're diving into 9 natural ways to keep your bones rock solid without relying on medications or supplements. Are you ready to feel stronger, healthier, and more energized than ever before? Get comfortable, grab a notebook, and let's dive deep into how you can start building healthier bones today. Before we jump into the tips, remember that everything I'm about to share with you is thoroughly researched, fact-checked, and reviewed by health professionals to give you the best advice possible. So let's get started. Boost your calcium and magnesium intake. When we think about bone health, calcium often steals the spotlight. And for good reason. Calcium is the main mineral that makes up the structure of your bones, keeping them strong and resilient. But here's the twist. Your body also needs magnesium to absorb calcium properly. Without magnesium, you may be taking in all the calcium you need, but your body won't be able to use it efficiently and your bones won't benefit as much. So how do you get both? For calcium, think of dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese, or non-dairy options like leafy greens, spinach, kale, fortified plant-based milk, and tofu. But don't stop there. Magnesium-rich foods are just as important. Look for almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and whole grains like quinoa. A ratio of calcium to magnesium of about 2.1 is ideal. For example, if you're consuming 1,000 milligrams of calcium, aim for around 500 milligrams of magnesium. When you get the balance right, your bones will thank you and you'll notice improved energy and overall health. Don't forget vitamin K. Vitamin K is one of the most underrated nutrients when it comes to bone health. You've likely heard of calcium and vitamin D, but let's not overlook the bone-boosting power of vitamin K. Vitamin K comes in 2 types, vitamin K1 and K2. K1 plays a key role in activating osteocalcin, the protein that binds calcium to your bones, making them stronger and less prone to fractures. Without vitamin K, osteocalcin won't do its job, leaving your bones more vulnerable. On the flip side, vitamin K2 helps direct calcium to the bones and teeth instead of letting it build up in arteries. This prevents calcium deposits in places where they shouldn't be, which could harm your arteries and organs. So what can you eat to get more vitamin K? Try adding leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard to your meals. Other great sources include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and fermented foods like natto, a fermented soybean dish. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Many people don't realize how much their daily coffee or evening drink can impact their bones. Excessive caffeine can interfere with your body's ability to absorb calcium, which means your bones may not get the nutrients they need to stay strong. Over time, high caffeine intake can even lead to calcium loss through urine, making your bones weaker. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up your cup of joe. I get it, I love coffee too, but aim for moderation. Instead of drinking multiple cups of coffee, switch to decaf or try herbal teas to reduce your caffeine intake. When it comes to alcohol, again, moderation is key. While a drink here and there might not harm your bones, heavy drinking can lead to a decrease in bone density and increase the risk of fractures. Plus, alcohol can interfere with your body's ability to absorb bone-building nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for bone health in more ways than one. Excess weight means extra stress on your joints, particularly in weight-bearing areas like your knees, hips, and spine. Think about it. Every time you take a step, your bones are supporting your body weight. Extra pounds can lead to wear and tear over time, causing damage to the bone structure. But here's the flip side. Being too thin can also harm your bones. When you're underweight, your body can't produce enough estrogen, which plays a huge role in maintaining bone density. This hormonal imbalance can lead to bone loss and an increased risk of fractures. To keep your bones strong, aim for a balanced diet that includes plenty of calcium, magnesium, and protein alongside regular exercise. Maintaining a healthy weight through these habits ensures your bones are getting the support they need. Get your protein fix. Protein is the building block for everything, and bones are no exception. Bones are constantly being broken down and rebuilt, and protein is essential in that process. Without enough protein, your body struggles to repair and fortify your bones, which can lead to weaker bones and an increased risk of fractures. And here's something you might not know. Collagen, the protein that makes up about 30% of your bone structure, relies on an adequate amount of protein to keep your bones strong and flexible. When you don't get enough protein, collagen production decreases, and your bones may become more brittle. Great sources of protein include lean meats, eggs, legumes, tofu, and Greek yogurt. And don't forget that protein also helps calcium absorption, so it's a win-win. Quit smoking. If you smoke, now is the perfect time to quit, for the sake of your bones and overall health. Smoking harms your bones in many ways, from directly affecting bone cells to interfering with the body's ability to produce bone-building minerals and vitamins. Smoking has also been linked to slower healing after fractures, which means injuries take longer to recover from. The good news? The moment you quit smoking, your bone health starts to improve. You'll notice better bone density, improved healing times, and an overall boost in your well-being. So take that first step towards a smoke-free life today. Manage stress. Whether it's work, family, or life in general, can weaken your bones over time. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with the bone-building process. High levels of cortisol can reduce bone density and lead to bone loss. And let's not forget the toll chronic stress can take on your overall health. Long-term stress can cause inflammation in the body, which can harm your bones. So, how do you combat stress? Incorporate stress-relieving practices into your daily routine. Meditation, yoga, deep breathing, and even regular walks can help lower cortisol levels and improve bone health. Your mind and bones will thank you. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is one of the most powerful things you can do for your bones. Weight-bearing exercises like walking, running, dancing, and resistance training stimulate your bones to become stronger and denser. When you move, your bones respond by becoming more resilient to stress. Plus, staying active helps maintain a healthy weight, which is essential for bone health. Also, did you know that exercise improves balance and coordination? This is super important, especially as we age. Maintaining balance reduces the risk of falls, which could lead to fractures. So, get moving to keep your bones strong and your body agile. Prioritize sleep. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep for bone health. While you're sleeping, your body is busy repairing and regenerating itself, including your bones. When you sleep, your bones rebuild, strengthen, and recover from the stresses of daily activity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. It's also important to create a sleep-friendly environment. Dim lights, avoid electronics, and keep your bedroom cool for the best rest. Strong, healthy bones are the foundation of an active, vibrant life. By making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can support your bone health for years to come. If you're ready to take your bone health to the next level, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our future health tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, your bones are the foundation of your body, so treat them with the love they deserve. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.